Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down something that's absolutely game-changing, especially if you've been trying to build a real online business but keep running into dead ends. This isn't just another theory or recycled webinar. Dylan and Dan, yes, those guys who built a $40 million plus business under the radar, are finally revealing exactly how they did it. And the best part? It's 100% free to watch. Here's what you'll learn: how they consistently find high-margin, low-competition products. You'll literally see their research process in real time, no fluff. The beginner-friendly blueprint to go from "I have no idea what I'm doing" to "look at all these sales." Perfect even if you've never sold a thing online. Why their business thrives during chaos. While others are struggling and following outdated tactics, Dylan and Dan's method is bulletproof, and they're handing it to you on a silver platter. Live product scouting, traffic strategies, and real conversion tactics. Not theory. Not slides. Just results. What makes this different? So many gurus give you 10% of the info and then pitch something. But this is a full pull-back-the-curtain walkthrough. No stone left unturned. No secrets held back. Final verdict: if you're tired of watching others win while you're stuck on the sidelines, this is your front row seat to a proven system that's still working right now. Click the link below to get instant access. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Don't miss this. It might just be the last training you ever need.